Solana, Shiba Inu, and Rexas Finance (RXS) are causing waves in the cryptocurrency space with expected rates of growth. Particularly in Q1 2025, these tokens are showing great promise to reach their pricing targets as the market continues to change. We will explore today's situation and future expectations of these tokens, with particular attention to how Rexas Finance might become a significant participant in the real-world asset tokenizing market as it targets $8 from a current price of $0.125. Solana saw a strong performer poised to hit $600 according to the most recent data. Solana is priced at $225.59 as of writing. It has risen 41.65% in the past 30 days as Sol bulls gain massive strength in the market. With a very dedicated and loyal following, Solana might hit $600 or higher by early 2025. Shiba Inu, SHIB from Memcoin to market leader. Also, Shiba Inu is trading now at $0.000028 as of writing and has increased by 71.44% in the last 30 days. Shiba Inu has been regarded as a meme coin, using a strong community to create their own DeFi series as a key difference maker in the crypto globe. Shiba Inu is likely to reach $0.000 by Q1 2025. The increasing fascination with meme coins and DeFi will allow the SHIB coin to push up aggressively. Rexas Finance, RXS, the rising star of real-world asset tokenization. While Solana and Shiba Inu are attracting investors, Rexas Finance, RXS, has silently become one of the most interesting prospects available in the crypto space. Originally costing $0.030 in stage 1, RXS has already increased by 320% in its pre-sale and is priced at $0.125 in stage 9. With almost 298 million RXS tokens sold, raising $21.7 million, the pre-sale is gathering steam, and several analysts estimate that RXS might skyrocket to $8 by Q1 2025, therefore reflecting an amazing increase of over 6,300%. Using blockchain technology, Rexas Finance presents a novel method for real-world asset tokenizing whereby users may buy, sell, and exchange real estate, commodities, and collectibles. With gold and other commodities adding still another $121.2 trillion in market value, the real estate industry alone is valued at an amazing $379.7 trillion. Rexas Finance aims to transform this market by offering fractional ownership and tokenized assets, therefore enabling anybody anywhere to make simple investments in valuable assets with only a few clicks. Key tools on the platform include the Rexas Token Builder and Rexas Launchpad. While the Launchpad helps users generate money for tokenized projects, the Token Builder lets anyone. The market is keenly observing Rexas Finance's next actions as the pre-sale runs on. With its creative platform and steady expansion path, RXS is positioned to take the front stage in the crypto market. If the pre-sale performance is any guide, Rexas Finance may be headed towards reaching its ambitious $8 pricing goal in the next 3 months, rising 6,300%. Rexas Finance is a game-changing initiative linking conventional asset markets with blockchain capability, not just another token. The possibilities for RXS are almost endless as more investors join the pre-sale and adoption rises. Conclusion: in the cryptocurrency space, Solana, Shiba Inu, and Rexas Finance are all displaying great promise. While Rexas Finance's creative approach to real-world asset tokenization may see RXS surge to $8 from its present $0.125 price point, Rexas Finance presents an interesting chance with large profits for individuals wishing to profit on the next great thing in cryptocurrencies. Don't miss out. Enter the pre-sale today and help shape the tokenized real-world assets of the future.